Introducing the Ultralok Continuous Edge from ESCO, the safer and more productive solution for your excavators, engineered to save you time and money. Fabricated edges require torching, welding, and grinding to install and replace, while the multiple gaps along the lip cause material spillage and expose the bucket to excessive wear and tear, increasing your maintenance costs. In contrast, you can install and remove the Ultralok Continuous Edge in the field in minutes with the turn of a pry bar. All thanks to the integrated Ultralok fastening system, proven at quarries and job sites around the world for over 10 years. No hammering, no welding, no worries. Engineered to outlast with reinforced corners and protection across the entire lip to extend the service life of your bucket. Providing an uninterrupted material path all the way into the bucket for less spillage and cleaner cutting and grading. And when the job calls for it, you can replace the continuous edge with a set of Ultralok teeth in just minutes, reducing the number of buckets you need to transport, store, and maintain at every job site. Lab tested and field proven. And cast in a proprietary ESCO alloy for longer life and maximum durability. Trust the Ultralok Continuous Edge to reduce costs while getting the most out of your machines.